In this video, we're going to install and set up our C and C++ development environment on Windows 11. To get started, go ahead and open your favorite browser and go to msys2.org, then download the installer. msys2 is a software distribution and development platform for Windows that provides a Unix-like environment with a package management system. We're going with the default options, so just keep pressing next and wait for the installer to finish running. Next, we'll use the pacman package manager that comes pre-installed with msys2 to grab the needed toolchain. We're going with the default, so go ahead and press enter, then Y. Next, open Edit Environment Variables, then click Path, press New, then paste in the path to the msys2 bin folder. Next, let's validate we've installed the compiler by opening the terminal and typing gcc-version. Next, open VS Code, then extensions, and search for C/C++ and install the official Microsoft Language Support extension. Next, open some valid C code, and then in the right-hand corner next to the run arrow, click the drop-down. Then select Run C/C++ file, then gcc.exe debug configuration. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up your C and C++ development environment on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, a like, share, and subscribe would mean the world. Until next time, good luck and happy coding.